this fellowship had started with 3 days of orientation, where we got to know about Praja's working, how Praja has been working from past 25 years. Then we got to know about 3-tier governance, how different level of governance has been instrumental for this country. We got to know about how councillors are one of the first persons who get to know about the citizens' real life problem. They get to interact with all the citizens in their area so that they can put up their questions in the house from a person who was very afraid of how can we talk to a councillor or a MLA or any kind of elected representative, to now who has been confidently calling them, having meetings with them so that we can put up our ideas and how citizens and youth participation can help into making this city work better.
There are a lot of things. Praja has been such an umbrella in my life that it has showered, so it has saved me and also showered me with a lot of experiences. So if I had to talk about one thing, I must tell that I aspire to be serving in the field of public policy, and the way I got to talk with the people which hold such high offices like the mayor or the councillors or the MLAs, I think it will definitely give me a head start in understanding their psychology and also at the same time articulating what I feel about a particular situation. So I think the knowledge of talking with people, the knowledge of talking with people with higher authority will definitely stay with me and will definitely be one thing that is going to help me in future, because before this I had no such experience.
पहले लोकल गवर्नमेंट्स के बारे में काफ़ी ज़्यादा सरफेशियल नॉलेज थी कि लगता था कि पहले सरकार जो है वो केवल मंत्रालय और बड़े बड़े मंत्री ही चलाते हैं, बट जब असल में देखा कि कैसे 18 फंक्शंस होते हैं लोकल गवर्नमेंट के, चाहे वो हेल्थ हो गया, चाहे वो एजुकेशन हो गया, सैनिटेशन हो गया, वो सब कुछ लोकल गवर्नमेंट के हाथ में रहता है। तो हम और आप जैसे लोग जिनकी डेली लाइफ में बहुत सारे इश्यूज इम्पैक्ट करते हैं, उन सबको डायरेक्टली डील लोकल गवर्नमेंट्स ही करती हैं। तो हाँ, काफ़ी सारे इंसाइट्स हैं। फेलोशिप से सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात जो सीखी मैंने वो ये था कि नागरिक होना केवल हक मांगना तक सीमित नहीं है, फर्ज निभाना भी है। प्रोफेशनली आई वुड से कि कैसे डेडलाइंस को मीट किया जाता है, एक पूरी टीम थी, देखा कि कितनी बड़ी एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कैसे साथ में कोऑर्डिनेट करके एक इतना बड़ा इवेंट सक्सेसफुल कर सकती है। तो दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट इन एन एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ फेलोशिप ऑफ दिस काइंड, जहाँ पे मैं हमेशा से देखता था कि गवर्नेंस और पब्लिक पॉलिसी में कैसे काम किया जाता है। ये फर्स्ट इन हैंड एक्सपीरियंस था जहाँ पर एमएलएस काउंसलर से डायरेक्ट मिलने का मौका मिला। तो yeah, it was a very great experience.
Basically learning small things such as operating Excel, how to compile data in a compendium, to doing the big stuff such as going to Meerut's corporation, traveling long distances, doing promotion from Prajatandra. When I reflect on this journey, I just feel like how far we all have come, and I also have come. The importance of this program, now that my fellowship has ended, is eminent upon me to learn that now working in such a setting where not only do we have such a strong sense of the purpose for which we are working, but it also teaches us very essential soft skills. We often talk about, oh, this is the takeaway that I've taken from it, but soft skills such as learning how to work in an office, communicating, preparing for different events, working alongside people, going over and beyond for the cause that you're working, are some things that will always stay with me through this experience. And I'm immensely grateful and lucky to be a part of this experience, and I wish all the best to the new cohort that is coming.